Ever wondered how to create a website for 3D printing for free? Well, wonder no more. Today, we unravel the step-by-step process to do just that, without spending a dime. It's a process that's easy, straightforward, and fun. Step 1. Choose a platform. The platform is the foundation of your website, and there are many free choices out there. WordPress and Wix are two popular options, both offering user-friendly interfaces and a plethora of customizable templates. Select a platform that feels intuitive and meets your needs. Step 2. Pick a template. This is your chance to make a first impression, so choose wisely. Look for a template that complements your 3D printing content. You might want something sleek and modern, or perhaps something more industrial. The choice is yours. Step 3. Customize your site. Now it's time to make your website uniquely yours. Add your logo, choose your color scheme, and start adding content. Remember, this is a 3D printing website, so your content should reflect that. Think about adding a gallery of your 3D printed creations, a blog about your process, or even a shop to sell your products. Step 4. Optimize for SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is how people find your website. Use keywords related to 3D printing in your content and make sure your site is easily navigable. The easier it is for people to find and use your site, the more successful it will be. Step 5. Launch your site. Once you're happy with how everything looks and works, it's time to go live. Share your new website on social media, with your friends, and in any 3D printing communities you're a part of. The more people who know about your site, the better. And that's it. 5 simple steps to create your own 3D printing website for free. To summarize: 1. Choose a platform that suits your needs. 1. Pick a template that complements your 3D printing content. 1. Customize your site to make it uniquely yours. 1. Optimize for SEO to make it easier for people to find your site. 1. Launch your site and share it with the world. Creating a website for your 3D printing endeavors need not be a daunting task. With the right platform, a little creativity, and some time, you can have a professional, engaging, and successful website up and running in no time. So why wait? Start building your 3D printing website today.